Oh my gosh, you both don't know how to stop. I don't know when the nail salons are going to be open. I have no idea. What do you want to do? Do you want to go to Florida? Because everything's open in Florida. And plus now the governor is so laid back in New Jersey, Governor Murphy. Finally, he reopened up everything in New Jersey. So you want to go to New Jersey? Maybe we can get your nails done over there, both of you. Because Sharon, Terry, you think that I have to support everybody in this family. I have to support this one, that one. I have to give you money, this. I don't have, where is this money coming from for your manicure and pedicures? Exactly. Get off your Social Security check. Plenty of self for Social Security check. And they got your stimulus check over there, okay? Don't stop me, really. Man, I haven't even got my manicure. Look at my nails. They got claws flying out of here like cats, really. I don't know. Listen, New York is never going to open up. I hate to say it. We're not going to. New York, Sharon, just listen to me. New York is not going to be open up to exactly 2024. I'm going to tell you why. Because everything's just all on a shutdown. But New Jersey, everything's all open up. And Florida, everything's all open up. God bless. If you want to go get your nails done, I'll drive no problem to Florida. We'll go to Disney Springs. Oh, now Disney Springs is open. Yeah, just for the whole... Well, that's another story, Terry. That park is only open up, from certain times, and not only that, they're letting certain people in the park. So, exactly. So, if we go there, then the thing is, then we have to wait on a big line of 50,000 people to walk in at 20 people at a time. We'll be there till tomorrow morning. Please, if you want to go get your nails done, go to Florida. I really don't want to hear it no more, because I have to get my nails done too. But you both think I just grow money on trees.